Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Genshin Impact error code 9203. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to open up settings on your computer, and then you need to go to Windows Update and check for updates on your operating system. So if there is an update, you need to download and install it and restart your computer. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if this doesn't work, then another thing that you need to do here is to open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator. Then here you need to write IP config /flush DNS. And another one is nash winsock reset, right? And after you do so, another thing that you need to do here is to go on settings. Then you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your internet. If you're using internet cable, you don't need to do nothing, but if you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again, right? And if this doesn't work, then another thing you need to do here is to open up Windows Defender Firewall. And on Windows Defender Firewall, you need to press on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then press Change Settings, Allow another app. And on this window, you need to press Browse and find your game. For me, game is on disk C, Program Files, and then Genshin Impact. And here you need to add 3 files. So the first one is on Genshin Impact folder. You need to look for Launcher. You need to open and add. I already have it, so if you don't have, probably it will be all right. Then another thing that you need to do here is to again press browse, go to Genshin Impact folder, and then you need to go to Genshin Impact game, and then add this Genshin Impact TXT. Add it here. And another thing that you need to add here, again, press browse, go to program files, Genshin Impact game, then press on Genshin Impact data, and then here you need to go to plugins and then add ZF game browser and add it here. And then you need to restart your computer and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then open up the Genshin Impact launcher, then press on the game local files management, and then check for game updates. If you're running with the latest version, you need to press clear downloaded resources, and then repair now. Press repair now button, because sometimes your game files may be corrupted. So this will fix your game files, right? And that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.